everyone, my name is Astronomer Mazhab and today we are talking about Mercury. Introduction to Mercury. The smallest planet in our solar system and nearest to the Sun, Mercury is only slightly larger than Earth's moon. From the surface of Mercury, the Sun would appear more than 3 times as large as it does when viewed from Earth, and the sunlight would be as much as 7 times brighter. Despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury is not the hottest planet in our solar system. That title belongs to nearby Venus, thanks to its dense atmosphere, but Mercury is the fastest planet, zipping around the Sun every 88 Earth days. Mercury is appropriately named after the chiefest of the ancient Roman gods. Size and distance of Mercury. With a radius of 1516 miles, Mercury is a little more than one third of the width of Earth. If Earth were the size of a nickel, Mercury would be about as big as a blueberry. From an average distance of 36 million miles, Mercury is 0.4 astronomical units away from the Sun. 1 astronomical unit is the distance from the Sun to Earth. From this distance, it takes sunlight 3.2 minutes to travel from Sun to Mercury. Orbit and rotation. Mercury's highly eccentric X-shaped orbit takes the planet as close as 29 million miles and as far as 43 million miles from the Sun. It speeds around the Sun every 88 days, traveling through the space at nearly 29 miles per second, faster than any other planet. But when Mercury is moving fastest in its elliptical orbit around the Sun, each rotation is not accompanied by a sunrise and sunset like it is on most other planets. The morning sun appears to rise briefly, set and rise again from some parts of the planet's surface. Mercury's axis of rotation is tilted just 2 degrees with respect to the plane of its orbit around the Sun. That means it spins nearly perfectly upright and so does not experience seasons like many other planets do. Structure. Mercury is the second densest planet after Earth. It has a large metallic core with a radius of about 1289 miles, about 85% of the planet's radius. There is evidence that it is partially molten or liquid. Mercury's outer shell, comparable to Earth's outer shell, is only about 400 kilometers thick. Formation. Mercury formed about 4.5 billion years ago when gravity pulled swirling gas and dust together to form the small planet nearest the Sun. Like its fellow terrestrial planets, Mercury has a central core, a rocky mantle, and a solid crust. Surface. Mercury's surface resembles that of Earth's moon, scarred by many impact craters resulting from collisions with meteoroids and comets. Craters and features on Mercury are named after famous deceased artists, musicians, or authors, including children's author Dr. Seuss and dance pioneer Alvin Ailey. Very large impact basins, including Kerales and Rachmaninoff, were created by asteroid impacts on the planet's surface early in the solar system's history. While there are large areas of smooth terrain, there are also cliffs and some hundreds of miles long and soaring up to a mile high. They rose as the planet's interior cooled and contracted over the billions of years since Mercury formed. Atmosphere. Instead of an atmosphere, Mercury possesses a thin exosphere made up of atoms blasted off the surface by the solar wind and striking meteoroids. Mercury's exosphere is composed mostly of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium. Magnetosphere. Mercury's magnetic field is offset relative to the planet's equator. Though Mercury's magnetic field at the surface has just 1% the strength of Earth's, it interacts with the magnetic field of the solar wind to sometimes create intense magnetic tornadoes that funnel the fast hot solar wind plasma down to the surface of the planet. When the ions strike the surface, they knock off neutrally charged atoms and send them on a loop high into the sky. Potential for life. Mercury's environment is not conducive to life as we know it. The temperatures and solar radiation that characterize the planet are most likely too extreme for organisms to adapt to. Fun fact 2. Mercury is one of the only two planets that don't have a moon. It does not have the enough gravitational force needed to make a celestial body to orbit another celestial body. Thank you for watching this video to this end, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.